This is Chad Stoller with the IPG Media Lab bringing you our 2014 CES preview. We'll be in Las Vegas all week covering the action with a constant eye on audiences and attention. Here's what we expect to see. In television, 4K was the star of last year's show, but this year it gets closer to reality with signs of life from content providers and also gets a somewhat more affordable price points. Netflix is just one of those providers that is making 4K streaming a reality, beginning with the second season of House of Cards in February, along with other mainstream studio releases. Something more unexpected is the launch of curved TVs from a variety of manufacturers. The curved form factor provides audiences with a wider viewing angle, a more lifelike picture, and reduction in glare. The smart home story will become a lot more accessible with unified systems to manage smart appliances, lighting, security, and more. Take LG's Home Chat system, which lets you monitor and program appliances via text, or SmartThings, which creates a centralized platform for managing your connected home. For brands, the smart home will provide new consumer touchpoints leveraging lifestyle data to anticipate needs like suggesting groceries before you realize you're running low. However, the smart home begins with a single consumer need to start the process, and if we had to make a bet, we'd bet on the innovations related to home security to drive this business. 2014 may be the year of wearables, with embedded sensors monitoring your lifestyle, diet, and even your UV exposure. While in the past we saw these innovations from early-stage companies, we will get hands-on experience with new products from mainstream manufacturers like Sony and LG. But beyond sensors, these wearables may also become always-on channels delivering notifications, content, and media that can be digested at a glance. This won't be a big year for smartphones at CES, as most of that news will come next month from Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. Instead, we expect to see case, power, and other accessories that round out this ecosystem. As for computers, the big story this year will be in gaming, as Valve will announce partners for their living room OS and gaming platform, the Steambox. The Steambox spec will be brought to market by 10 to 12 computer manufacturers who aim to make hardware for the existing installed base of over 65 million Steam users. The car will be the next battleground for tech giants like Apple and Google, who are looking to power future infotainment systems. Google is using CES to announce the Open Automotive Alliance for Android and has named Audi and Hyundai as launch partners. With automotive companies announcing LTE integration with new vehicles, we expect automotive innovation to be a hot topic for the next few years at CES. Lastly, there are some things we just can't predict. With improvements in battery life, network ubiquity, and the availability of funding from venture and Kickstarters, innovation can just come from anywhere. Last year we saw a connected fork, media projected in the air, and the curved phone, so we've learned to expect the unexpected. So check out IPGLab.com all week for video interviews, articles, and recaps from this year's show. Thanks for watching.